Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Temu affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way to make money online? Let's check it all out today, okay? Let's see if it's legit. Can you make a lot of money from this, or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it out. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, click the link right below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out the Temu affiliate program to find out whether this is legit, whether you can make money from it, or is it a big waste of time, right? Or are there better ways to make money online out there, okay? Now, Temu is a very, very big and popular e-commerce platform. It is originally from China. They've got a big setup though in Boston as well, right? But originally a Chinese company, and they are doing really, really well right now, okay? And they are very well known for their low cost promotions, and they are driving a lot of sales globally. All right, now if you want to become an affiliate, which basically means that you can refer their products and you can also make commissions, then they have an affiliate program, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Right now, if you come to Temu, and you can basically see some of their products right here. Right now, this is all in my currency because I'm based in Malaysia. If you just divide this by 4.5, that's the US dollar equivalent, right? So roughly for these binoculars, it's about 9 to 10 US dollars for and they sell everything from lingerie to kids shoes to men's shoes to smart home. Basically they sell everything, right? But they sell a lot of cheap stuff, okay? And that's why they've become so popular, because people are wondering, how do you get these products made for so cheap? Basically, I mean, these shoes right here, like $20. This little star thing right here, this plushie toy, is like 80 cents US, right? This pair of headphones is about $10, $12, right? You get the idea, right? So just very cheap stuff right here, okay? This drone right here is about $10, right? 10 US dollars, for example, right? So can you become an affiliate, resell these products, and make money from it? And how much do they pay you is the big question, okay? So if you want to get access to the Temu affiliate program, just go to Google and type out Temu affiliate program, and you can click on it right here. You can just log in from anywhere in the world and join with your name and your email, and you'll basically get access to this program right here. All right, so first of all, the nice thing is when you first join, they're going to give you a small little bonus. Now, it changes depending on which country that you're in. Mine is 10 ringgit, right? Yours will probably be roughly around $2 to $3 US, okay? Equivalent to your currency. That's the bonus that they give you, which is pretty cool. And then this is the essential parts that you need to understand, all right? So they like to focus on new app users, all right? So if you recommend someone who's brand new, who has never been on Temu before, all right, and they sign up, then for the first 30 days of them actually ordering, you will get 30% commissions on everything that they buy. It's pretty cool, okay? 30% commissions for selling physical products is very, very high, all right? Because again, like if you compare the Temu affiliate program to things like Amazon Associates or eBay or Etsy, all right, which are very popular, which are very big affiliate programs and very big e-commerce platforms, right? They only pay you 3 to 5% commissions on the products that you sell. Super low, all right? That is like stinking low. You're just never going to make money that way. If you do the math on it, all right? I'll pull out the calculator for you later. 3 to 5% is just nothing. It's going to be impossible for you to make, $5,000 to $10,000 profit every single month, right? But at least with the Temu app, for a new app user, for the first 30 days, you'll get 30% commissions on all their orders, which is really, really cool. Okay, plus you get an extra little bonuses of like, 1 to 2 US dollars for every referral that download and order, which is cool, right? So you're getting commissions and you're getting a little bit of bonus on top of it. Very nice, okay? Now, that is nice, but after 30 days, you're not going to make 30% commissions, okay? Now here it says 3% commissions per order for existing app users, right? But it also depends, okay? Sometimes they pay a little bit more commission. Sometimes they pay they pay 5% commissions on any order placed between $1 and $49, okay? And then they pay 10% commissions on orders between $50 and $100, right? Which is also okay. It's not a crazy amount. It's still pretty low, to be honest, but it is higher than companies like Amazon, like Etsy, and like eBay. Okay, now 5%. So for most of the products that you're actually getting, it's still pretty low, to be honest. I mean, 5% is very small commissions, but that's the thing about physical products, right? They can't pay you super high commissions because it costs them money to manufacture the products. I mean, all of these products right here have a manufacturing cost, right? It costs money to manufacture that. It costs money to manufacture that. So they can't give the affiliate that much commissions. But the nice thing about the Temu program is that if for the new users, you get 30% commissions for the first 30 days. Okay, after that, it's much lower. So the goal really is they're trying to incentivize affiliates to bring in new people that have never actually bought on the platform before. Okay, they want people to download the app for the first time, make a purchase, and whatever people purchase, you're going to make 30% commissions, which I think is really high. No other platform, no other e-commerce physical product platform does this. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So that's the thing that I like about the Temu program. Now after that though, the commission rates are pretty low. It's between 3 to 5% and 10% on $50 products or more. Still pretty crappy if you think about it, right? So let me just kind of pull up the calculator right here for you so you can really see this, right? So a lot of the products that you're going to sell on Temu, because it's a cheap e-commerce platform, that's what they're known for, right? So if you sell something that costs like, so for example, $25, okay? Multiplied by 5%, I mean, your commissions are $1.25. Now, you have to ask yourself this question. How many $1.25 commission sales do you need to make $10,000? Well, let's do the math, okay? 10,000 3 divided by $1.25 is 8,000. Every time I do these videos, it makes me laugh because every time I review a physical e-commerce platform's affiliate program, the numbers are just stupid. I mean, do you think you can make 8,000 sales a month to make $10,000? I don't think so. Most affiliates, even the best affiliates out there, are not going to generate this many sales. Okay, let's divide this by 30 days. All right, you have to make 266 sales a day to make 10,000 US dollars a month. Right? It's very hard. Okay. Now the nice thing about their affiliate program is that they do pay the 30% commissions on the first 30 days of new users, so that helps a lot. Okay, but that's not going to be most of your money. All right, that will be a portion of your commissions, but the majority of the commissions will come from existing users that are just coming back to the app and they're rebuying and stuff like that. You're only going to make, for the majority of the time, 5% commissions, okay? Because most of Temu products are sold for under $50. I mean, you can see it right here. Even in my currency, okay, like, sure, this iPad right here is going to be over 50 US dollars, but not many people are going to buy that. Most of the products are under 50 US dollars. Okay, these are all in ringgit, so you can say you divide it by 4. This is like $12. This is $2. This is $5, right? It's all under 50 bucks. Okay, this is $5. This is $1.25. Even this one, divide that by 4. What is that? 10, 20, 30. This is under 50 bucks as well, right? So a lot of their products will be under $50, which means that the majority of your commissions will be at the 5% range. All right, so just understand that. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about some of the promotions here. Now, the thing I like about Temu though is they make it very easy for the affiliate. So if I wanted to promote the 500 ringgit coupon bundle, so I could give this away to someone, right? I just copy it, and then if I just paste this right here on the link, right? If I promote this on my TikTok or Instagram or whatever, if somebody comes here and buys this right here, right? They get this basically, right? You download it. You basically get a 500 coupon bundle. Okay, let's just do the math on that. 500 divided by 4.5. This is roughly about 100 US dollars in coupons that you're going to gift someone for free if they just download the app. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's what I like about their program, is that they've got all these like little promos, and then you can share it very easily by email, by X, by Facebook, by Pinterest. So you can do that. All right, they make it easy for you, right? Also, they got free gifts right here for new users. You can just copy this. Let's have a look at what this one looks like, right? You can offer them free gifts as well. So again, right here, if somebody's scrolling down, okay, you can scan this, blah blah blah, right here. So it's easy to promote. Right, so there are little things that they offer, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, so and then they make it easy, right? Paste this link on your bio. They teach you how to do it for posts, for friends, right? They make it very easy. Okay, put this on your link. Send this to your friends right here. right? So again, they're making it easy for you to promote the Temu affiliate program and the products so that you can make money more easily, which I think is nice, all right? So overall, what do I think of becoming a Temu affiliate? I think the Temu affiliate program is okay. I think it's better than a lot of the other ones out there. So for example, it's definitely better than Amazon Associates because Amazon Associates only pays 3 to 5% commissions on all the sales that you make, right? Also, it's definitely better than Etsy and eBay, all right? It's not as good as the TikTok Shop affiliate program though. The TikTok Shop affiliate program pays between 10 and 15% commissions. It's pretty good, okay? The thing that I like about Temu is that for new app users, which is what they like to focus on, they are paying 30% commissions, which is pretty high, all right? But that's not going to be the majority of your commissions, remember, because a lot of people already know about Temu and they've already got the Temu app. So for the most part, you're going to be making mainly 5% commissions. And as we did the math earlier, 5% commissions, I mean, you're going to have to make, what, 8,000, roughly 8,000 sales a month for you to make $10,000. That's very, very difficult, okay? And for, again, for a $25 product, right, times 5% commissions, you're making $1.25. It's very little money, all right? So it's not super easy to make a lot of money. But can you make money with the Temu affiliate marketing program? You can, all right? And the way that a lot of people do it is they do it on TikTok. They do it on Instagram, right? They do it on YouTube Shorts, right? They basically make all these videos. They buy the products from the actual Temu shop right here, okay? And then what they do is they go and grab a link. So for example, if you wanted to promote something, right? You would just basically come here to pick items at the top, all right? And then you would go to their shop. And so let's just say, and that's the other thing about selling, physical stuff. Generally, you have to buy the product because you have to show people that you're actually selling it. Now, granted, the products are cheap, but you still have to buy it yourself so that you can show it. So what I would do, like if I wanted to sell this belt, I would basically buy the belt and then I would click on this link right here. You can see you get this specific link, right? To the belt. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it right here. And what I would do is I would take the belt and I would make a video on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. I would show off the belt and I'd say, hey, if you want to get this, it's super cheap. It's only like, $1.34 ringgit, which is basically like 30 cents US. It's so cheap, it's ridiculous, right? Go and buy the link here. And then you leave the link in your bio and then they can come here. And if they're a brand new user, they would download the app, buy it, and you would get 30% commissions. If they're an existing user, you would only get 5% commissions, right? Which is ridiculously low on this specific product. But that's what you would have to do, okay? You would still need to learn to sell it, right? So it's not just about, yes, it's great that they've got their program right here, right? And it pays, the commissions that you saw earlier, right? But you still have to learn to market it. I hope that makes sense. But overall, if you understand how to market the products and you're interested in doing it, Temu is, I would say, it's somewhere in the middle. It's not super great, it's not super bad, it's not bad. I think that they've got a lot of coupons that they offer. The commissions for new app users is certainly really good. But again, not everybody's going to be a new app user. A lot of them will be existing users that will come back and buy. And in that case, the commissions are they're very low. 5% commissions is similar to Amazon Associates, it's similar to Etsy. It's lower than the TikTok shop. But for me, I still think that selling digital products is the way to go. All right. You sell a digital product, you're making 40 to 70% commissions, right? So a digital course, a digital training, digital videos, digital downloads, digital software, way better. Okay. So I think for e-commerce, physical stuff, Temu is not bad. It's still pretty low, right, compared to selling digital products, but it's not bad. So if you want to check it out, you can just go ahead and Google the Temu affiliate program and you can check it out right here. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're here watching this video and you are a complete beginner, you're like, Aaron, I'm just checking this out because I heard about Temu. I'm interested in doing affiliate marketing, but you don't know how, right? Affiliate marketing changed my life, okay? I've made almost $2 million in sales with affiliate marketing, and I teach people how to do that. So if you want to learn my strategies, I teach it for free in a masterclass, and I'll show you exactly how to get to multiple 5 figures, but not selling physical affiliate programs, right? I teach you how to do it digitally. Way more profitable, way easier. You don't have to sell 8,000 products a month to make, you know, $1.25, you know, cent commissions is just stupidly low. Okay, it's very difficult to get to 10, 20, $30,000 a month in profit by selling, you know, products that only pay you 5% commissions. Okay, I show you how to do it in a much better way. So if you want to check it out, link all the way at the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this review. I will see you on another video review. Take care.